what situation you may get in, you know. And how I heat up my hot water is at work. I boil some water, get it hot enough, and I pour it inside the canister, and it stays hot for 24 hours. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to wet my face. And it's hot. It's hot. When I say you it's hot, it's hot. So let me go ahead on and wet my face. And I think I already had soap on here. But I'm going to add some more of my Cetaphil. Add a little bit to it. And that's how I go in, and I'm about to scrub my face. So this is how I clean my face. And I like this little sponge. So now I'm about to rinse it. And I'm rinsing my face. And that's how I keep my face washed. Hold on, let me dry. And if the water is a little bit too hot, you can always pour some temperature water that you have in your car to bring the temperature down. Clean my ears out. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my towel and my sponge out. And I gotta buy me some more bottles of water. And I'm just squeezing out my sponge.